Welcome to your first training module on vehicle lighting systems. This video will cover inspecting, replacing, and aiming headlights, as well as checking auxiliary and interior lighting. There are four main types of headlights that you will encounter. First, sealed beam units. These contain a self-contained bulb and reflector. Then there are composite headlights, which have a replaceable bulb within a separate lens and housing. Next, we have high-intensity discharge, HID, or xenon headlights. These use a special gas and high-voltage electricity to produce a bright, bluish-white light. They require a ballast and starter unit to operate, which convert DC to high-voltage AC. Remember, these systems are high voltage, so exercise caution to avoid electric shock. A good tip: listen for a slight ignition sound when you turn them on to know if the ballast is firing. Finally, the newest technology is light-emitting diode (LED) headlamps. LEDs consume very little power, last for a very long time, and offer an instant on-reaction time. When a customer reports a light issue, you must diagnose the cause. Here are some common problems and their solutions. When headlights are dim, this could be a low battery charge. This could also be corrosion on the sockets or connectors causing a voltage drop, or even a low voltage output from the charging system. If the lights are inconsistent and only operate intermittently, check for loose connections, poor grounds, or a bad headlight or dimmer switch. If all of the headlights are out, but parking lights work, first, check the main headlight fuse or circuit breaker. If the circuit protection is good, check the headlight relay and switch. If only one headlight is out, check for voltage and ground at the light connector. If there's voltage and a good ground, it's likely a bad bulb. If not, you will need to trace the wiring and look for shared components failing. When replacing a sealed beam unit, you'll first need to remove any trim or fasteners holding it in place. Then unplug the old unit, plug in the new one, and reassemble. It's a straightforward process. For composite headlights, you'll typically remove the bulb from the back of the housing. Make sure to use the correct bulb type and avoid touching the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands, as the oils can cause hot spots and premature failure. After replacing a headlight, proper aiming is crucial. Headlights must be aimed correctly to illuminate the road without blinding oncoming drivers. The most common method uses a mechanical aimer. Adjusting screws on the headlight housing allow you to move the beam up or down and side to side. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and ensure the tires are properly inflated before you begin. Don't forget about auxiliary and interior lights. This includes fog lights, driving lights, turn signals, brake lights, and interior lamps. The inspection process is similar. Check for burned-out bulbs, cracked lenses, or corroded sockets. Many of these use incandescent or LED bulbs. Replacing them is often as simple as twisting a socket to remove it, replacing the bulb, and twisting it back in place. That wraps up our introduction to vehicle lighting systems. Remember these key takeaways: understand the different headlight types, use a systematic approach to diagnose lighting issues, and always aim headlights correctly. Stay safe and happy wrenching.